Hello, and welcome to another update video about FETCH.AI. Today, quite an explosive move to the upside, which could mark the beginning of the next uptrend. Of course, a little bit too early to confirm. Despite the green candles, we need the structure in place to confirm it. At the moment, you can see that we only have a 3-wave rally from the recent lows. So it's very obvious that even though we broke above the trend line that we talked about, which was a possible signal, also we broke above the resistance at $1.15. The rally is only in 3 waves. It is a little bit too high for the 4th wave in the white wave count, which is the short-term bearish count that could allow for one more low. So it's a little bit too high for that, but we also don't really have a sustained break above resistance yet. I mean, we can debate that, if for example, at the end of the day, it's crashing down again, then this was not a sustained break. For now, I am following the yellow count, which indicates what the next steps are on this roadmap, on the potential bullish roadmap, if wave 4 already bottomed. So if a substantial low formed here on the 5th of August, then I need to see a 5-wave move up next to confirm that. And that 5-wave move to the upside could currently be working on the 3rd wave, which needs to reach $1.25, $1.26 as a minimum, because that's the 1.38 extension of the initial 1-2 setup here as per the yellow wave count. So that's nearly done. Yeah, I mean, maybe one more final push would be ideal to get this 3rd wave done. Then a 4th wave pullback, for which I might be able to add a support area on the weekend, because it is measured based on the length of the 3rd wave. But if the 3rd wave isn't, let's say if it's not a viable 3rd wave yet, because we haven't reached the first ideal target, I don't really want to add a support area. So let's first see if the price can form that 3rd wave by getting to $1.25, $1.26, maybe even a little bit higher. And then a 5th wave to the upside should take the price 1 or 2 levels higher. So possibly $1.35, $1.43. Only if I get these 5 waves, it is clear that wave 4 bottomed. At the moment, even though it's a little bit too aggressive for a 4th wave, it could still just be a corrective rally. But either way, yesterday I put out I sent out a signal, an update in our gold membership to highlight really the price needs to form a low in this region. Either the low is already in or after one more low, because the structure can't really withstand more than one more low, because the 52-cent level is really the maximum that we should really accept within a bullish scenario. Any break below that would be too low for a 4th wave of the larger degree, meaning that at the moment we're tracking a bullish scenario. Yeah, so the idea is still there's a chance for the bulls to turn around here or after one more low. But if we break below that 52-cent level, this will be really, really difficult, because it would really challenge the overall bullish assumption on this chart. If I zoom out a little bit further, we take a look at the daily chart, then you can see here that the next rally would be a wave 5. It would likely be considered an ABC structure, like the 3rd wave was as well, an ABC structure. And the 5th wave should first of all get to $4.85, but more ideally $8.71 or even higher. But these would be the next milestone targets: $4.85, $8.71. These are the next milestone targets, because the 3rd wave did reach the 1.236 extension at $3.41. And so the 5th wave should get at least 1 or 2 fib levels higher. There's a lot of work to do still to get there. And first of all, we need to consider that also here in this wave 5, if it's an ABC structure, the subwaves might all be corrective. So we might not get a beautiful 5-wave move to the upside. It might still rally. That's just due to this overall structure of a diagonal pattern. So we have a larger diagonal pattern that's unfolding here, but it is acceptable. We just need to be aware that tracking the micro might be a bit challenging, but I think the support levels are clear. The larger support area has now been, well, the price is trying to reverse, let's say it like that, in the larger support region here. But yeah, I think the parameters are clear. We just need to see that 5-wave move to the upside next. Looks impulsive at the moment. That would likely be still within the 3rd wave, yeah, an impulse then, yeah. But or it's the C wave. We don't know. It depends on what happens in the next pullback. The next pullback will be really instrumental in telling us what's going to happen next. Because if the pullback is corrective, we're watching for one more high, and that would be a bullish signal. That's the update about FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.